We're filming the third part of the GTR build. You're supposed to be the master mechanic, why don't you just yank that shit up out of there?
Hold up.
Yo, you heard that?
That sounded like a fuel leak.
Hold up, we got a spider. Oh! I gotta get his little bitch ass out the car. Albert, it's a beautiful, bright summer day. We're back at Andrew's shop in Massachusetts, and last night I had to fill this car with 4 tires and 4 wheels separately. These are 265s. These aren't small, bro. I was able to squeeze this tire, which means that your knees were in the fucking dashboard the whole drive up here. But right now, we're gonna unload these. These are for the 350Z. So we're gonna mount these tires on these wheels. We'll get them balanced, test fitting them on the Z, see how the fitment looks and if we need to lower it. Now, we're also here because we're filming the third part of the GTR build. So if you guys are here for the wheel video, go and check out the GTR build. And if you guys are here for the GTR build, you should go look at the wheel video. Some free heat. I ordered a 900-piece screw, bolt, and nut kit from Australia. This is supposed to replace every single thing that's inside the engine bay on the Skyline, and that doubles over for the Z2. So it works for a whole bunch of different Nissans and stuff. So that's gonna be good, because man, we did this shit again, bro. The last owner with the GTR, when they tried to pull the motor out because they thought it had bad compression, they just tore everything apart and they lost all the bolts and shit. Bend over.
Hell no.
Oh shit. Because we put this in as a fresh tire, it fucking got shit all over the headliner. But I got my handy dandy Oshibori. Give this thing a little polish. If you have a 2015 Jetta, any model, it will fit 4 wheels and tires separately. So you don't gotta worry about that. Who needs a pickup truck? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go get a little water on this. Oh wait, right here, boom. Look at it, I'm a G.
You keep that shit on you?
Keep that motherfucking thing on me. You guys drink anything besides Poland Spring, you guys are gay.
What about like some bougie shit like Fiji, Evian?
Evian? Evian is trash.
What?
Evian spelled backwards is naive. If you drink Evian, you're fucking naive. Fiji, it's okay. I think what people like about Fiji is the fact that it has a flower on the bottle. It just looks cool. Damn, I'm gonna have to get like a professional cleaning or something, bro. This is just not it.
You drinking that shit like a Gatorade commercial.
Oh. Yeah, so what I was saying was is like tires are kind of like flat brim hats, at least in the drift world. And the reason they're similar is because you both want to keep the stickers on. In the drift game, if you have fresh stickers on your fresh tires, like you don't peel the sticker off. Because like you flex, like I got freshies on, you know what I'm saying? All right, so let's bring these in and let's get them mounted. This is from fucking Australia.
Yeah. Ball right under the
Man, this made this fucking thing like bulletproof, dude.
Australia packaging.
What the fuck, man?
What you got, sir?
So this is the 900-piece bolt, nut, screw, washer kit.
It's actually a nice looking kit. Is that all grade 8?
I think so.
It's 8.8, it's metric, right? But gold anodized. That's awesome.
This is fire. What's the first order of business?
Bolt. Few things that I see right off the bat we can do. This vacuum line right here, see how it's cut or broken? Goes to right here. That's the brake booster line. That's very possibly why it wasn't running last time.
Okay.
So I'll get you some hose. We're gonna connect to this. It's just 3/8 to that.
Yep.
Let's just make a mental note that that vacuum line behind this connector is cracked.
Cut. Okay.
We're gonna put all the intake manifold nuts on.
Okay.
Yes, there's stuff like the harness shit missing. We'll leave that for now. Once we get it running, we'll throw all
the
bolts
covers
in.
and shit.
Right. This pipe right here, from the intake manifold to the outlet of the intercooler.
It's probably just one of those silicone. Okay, yeah.
It's gonna go right on.
And then we have clamps in the back too.
Let's get the alternator belt on and water pump belt on.
All right, I'll look up a schematic real quick.
All right, go back to tighten.
base model projectors.
We got a belt on.
All right.
What do you think next?
I'll do this coupler and that line, or you.
Yep.
Whatever you gotta do.
I just want to put a couple miles on it, get that
Cool.
smell out.
So what's the SITREP?
SITREP is we're currently reinstalling the coolant lines to the turbo that the last owner took off, securing these bolts, spandrel bolts, and then we can put the outlet back on. And then intakes, and then we got to route all the vacuum lines and see what's good with that. You know what I'm saying?
And what are some of the things that you've done so far? Because you've been at this for like, what, half hour, an hour already?
We've been at it for a little bit. We did the vacuum line to the booster, that was off. We put the belt back on. We put this intake coupler back on. Now we're moving on to the turbo side.
I put this pipe on here, because obviously that goes to there,
Yep.
just by the shape and contour of the pipe. The other inlet is gonna go to right here. I have no idea how this is clocked. We're gonna find out.
And then this is gonna go from here to here.
To the outlet. So
And
I wanna put the outlet on next. I'm just placing all this shit on
Yep.
here loose because obviously we might have to take that back off. And
You were supposed to be the master mechanic. Why don't you just yank that shit up out of there?
huh?
No, it's from Fast and Furious. Oh, I thought that was fucking cracked. Say fucking morons. All right, we gotta get. Oh, he already did it. He already did it. Reuse the gasket, no big deal. It's gonna be fine. We're not gonna have a boost leak or anything.
It'll be fine.
It's all good.
You know what I'm confused about?
What
the fuck that's for?
It's probably one of those breather things from the brake duct into.
Wait, is that just sitting here?
I don't know about this, sir.
Bro, just put the square peg in the round hole. Go down, so this, that's weird.
That is weird.
Because we're
isn't it?
flush on this side and we're not here. I mean, it's on it, plenty.
Yeah.
That
It is
bizarre,
weird, huh?
but it is on it all the way, and you can tell right here it's flush. The amount of parts guys that come in here and ask me if this is a Sylvia, or what's the other one?
I'm surprised people know that instead of GTR.
The taillights give it away, but it's like a Sylvia looking bumper.
Yeah.
It looks like an S14 on the front. That could either go like that.
What the fuck is this?
Let me
Let me look in the trunk. Oh, this maybe?
Yes, yes, that's what it's for. It's for the diverter setup. It's right there. And did we do the fuel filter yet?
Nope.
I'm looking at it right there. I forgot about that. That's good.
Oh, nice.
Where's it going?
Bruh. Albert, what'd you do with the gun, bro? You put it away for sure,
No,
Andrew.
I just fucking looked. It's not away. It's right where I left it, though. I looked in there and not right here. There's 2 rules of losing things in an automotive facility.
Wait. Where's the bolt?
Back to what I was saying. Number 1, it's always right where you fucking left it. Number 2, when you find it, you can stop looking for it. Let me just grab a ratchet wrench. That's not gonna fit in there. The airflows are plugged in. The inlets and outlets are on. The recirc valve's on. The outlet to the manifold's on. We don't need the radiator in it just to see what the motor sounds like.
See if it runs.
Bro, put a jump pack on this thing and turn the fucking key.
Now we're gonna see why this guy thought it was low compression.
Prime it a couple times first.
Okay.
That smell.
Smell just like Grandma's house in there.
I don't have anything, Andrew.
Wait up.
Oh,
How about now?
yep.
Hold up.
Yo, you heard that?
Just cycle the key a couple times. That sounded like a fuel leak. All right, I'm gonna, I'll control throttle, okay?
Yep.
Don't touch the throttle. Just Hit the key.
All right.
Do it again. You shut your whore mouth. 10 years. 10 years and 2 days of Eric and Andrew. And she lives. Bro, this motor sounds fucking fine. Check the temp gauge. Milo, relax, Bubs. Hey, I know, you're high as fuck off fumes, I know, buddy. If we feel it, you feel it, I know. I
think that was a pretty good day overall.
Dude.
We've got Pauly D on the phone. He's with us in spirit. But yeah, the GTR started, idled, and didn't smoke, sounded healthy. Still a bunch of stuff not connected, like the radiator and some lines and shit.
Yeah, all we did was put back in all the intercooler piping that was missing and all sorts of other shit.
Yeah.
Turn the key. Got fresh gas in it, fresh plugs. We got to figure out some vacuum line routing. It's got an aftermarket Mac solenoid in it, the Greddy boost controller.
Yep.
I said to Eric before we turned the key, I was like, dude, if we have timing, compression, air, and fuel, spark, this thing should fucking fire right up.
Yep.
Hops in it, hits the key, purrs. Whom.
Pretty good, yeah. So what, next time, radiator, just get it up and running, and then
we can always throw in a Mishimoto or Koyo or whatever. Yeah. We need to both research the vacuum schematics. We didn't take the shit apart. It's aftermarket. It's old aftermarket shit at that. We need to get a battery for it so we can verify the alternator's working.
So the power steering fluid, the coolant,
make sure the charging system works, make sure the water pump's flowing, put the fan clutch back in.
Yeah, and I can order a hood latch too.
Yep, we should.
Yeah.
Order a retrofit kit.
What do you mean a retrofit kit?
It's an adapter kit that screws on ports onto this. Basically, we're going to suck this system out. I doubt there's any R12 in it.
Yeah.
But we'll check.
So you're saying the nipples?
Yeah, so if you go online, it's pretty universal, but I don't want to say that actually on this car. There's Paul, do you remember the conversion for that?
It's like 3.
Multiply by 3, divide by... It's been so long since I've done, I'll have to look it up, but it's doable.
Cool.
See if the AC works, throw a belt on it. Multiplying it by 0.75. So if it takes a pound of R12, it takes 3/4 of a pound of 134A.
I think what we can do, paint and fix the front bumper, paint correct the rest of the car, I think it'll be golden. I don't think...
You know you got some bubbles and shit on the corner.
But you know.
Short, I mean, that's...
For the main part, if we did that, this car would look amazing.
Next time you're here, we plan to rip this around the block. What do you think, Milo? Sound like a plan? Milo.
All right, so we got some work ahead of us.
Yeah, so then it'll solid run and drive. Then we'll move on to brakes, suspension, wheels, tires. Go through the rest of it, make sure the front end's tight, and then we'll have a functioning car. Get it cleaned up, see what it looks like, throw some bumpers on. I'm sorry.
Boom.